Something in your workshop is slowing you down, and you probably don't even realize it yet. On AU Techverse, today you're about to see 20 insanely clever woodworking tools that quietly fix the biggest mistakes, save hours of effort, and take your bills to a completely different level. Watch closely because every single tool you'll see is linked in the description, and missing even one might mean missing your next best upgrade. Dust Deputy 2.5D EY Cyclone Separator. Only you start cleaning your workspace after a long project, but within minutes your shop vac loses suction and the filter clogs again. That's where the Dust Deputy 2.5 changes everything. It sits between your vacuum and hose, spinning incoming air to separate up to 99% of dust before it even reaches the filter. The result is stronger, consistent suction and far less maintenance. It's simple to install and works with most standard shop vacs. If you want a cleaner workspace without constantly stopping to unclog your vacuum, this is a smart upgrade that pays off immediately. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. You're working with a rough slab of wood, and no matter how much you sand, it just refuses to smooth out evenly. That's where the Kaindl WOOD-PLANE steps in. It attaches directly to your angle grinder and turns it into a powerful shaping tool. With carbide cutting edges and controlled material removal, it lets you plane, carve, auto and shape wood quickly without excessive kickback. Whether you're removing bark or refining contours, it gives you far more control than traditional methods. If you want faster shaping with clean, controlled results, this tool makes the process feel effortless. Ruitool Drill Depth Stop for drill bits. You line up a perfect drill point, pull the trigger, and suddenly the bit goes deeper than planned, ruining the piece. That's exactly the problem the Ruitool Drill Depth Stop solves. When it slides onto your drill bit and locks at a specific depth, so every hole stops exactly where you want it. Made from durable aluminum and designed to fit multiple bit sizes, it's quick to adjust and stays firmly in place during use. Whether you're working on furniture or cabinetry, it ensures clean, repeatable results. If precision matters, this small tool makes a big difference every time you drill. SUNLFPROD Stair Tread Template. Tool, you're installing stair treads or shelves, and nothing lines up because the walls aren't perfectly straight. Measuring again and again just makes it worse. That's where the SUNLFPROD Stair Tread Template tool becomes essential. Its adjustable aluminum arms extend up to 60 inches, letting you copy the exact shape of uneven spaces and transfer it directly onto your material. The laser markings and smooth adjusters make it easy to lock in precise angles without guesswork. Instead of struggling with measurements, you simply trace and cut. If you want clean fits in tricky spaces, this tool removes the frustration completely. Garosa Door Hinge Jig Kit. You install a door, tighten everything up, and it still doesn't close smoothly because the hinges are slightly off. That's a common problem, and the Garosa Door Hinge Jig Kit is designed to fix it. It uses adjustable templates to guide your router or chisel, helping you create clean, accurate hinge mortises every time. You clamp it in place, follow the guide, and get consistent results without repeated measuring. It supports different hinge sizes, making it practical for various door projects. If you want doors that align properly and operate smoothly, this tool makes the job far more reliable. Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box. You're cutting a corner joint assuming it's a perfect 90 degrees, but once the pieces meet, there's a visible gap. That's where the Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box proves its value. It allows you to measure the actual wall angle and transfer that exact angle directly to your saw for an accurate cut. There's no need for calculations or guesswork. It supports materials up to around 70 millimeters and keeps everything aligned during cutting. If you want clean, tight-fitting corners without trial and error, this tool gives you reliable accuracy on the first attempt. Ruitool Shelf Pin Jig and Hinge Jig 2-in-1. You're building a cabinet, and getting perfectly aligned shelf holes on both sides feels nearly impossible. Even a small mistake throws everything off. That's where the Ruitool Shelf Pin Jig and Hinge Jig 2-in-1 makes things easier. It guides your drill to create evenly spaced, straight holes with built-in depth control so you don't go too far. You clamp it in place, drill, and repeat with consistent results every time. It also supports hinge installation, making it a versatile addition to your setup. If you want clean, professional cabinet work without measuring errors, this tool delivers dependable accuracy. STANLEY 2-in-1 Workbench and vise with vertical clamping. You're working on a project, but holding the piece steady becomes the biggest challenge, especially in a small space. That's where the STANLEY 2-in-1 Workbench and vise comes in. It sets up quickly and gives you a stable surface with built-in clamping, including vertical clamping for awkward shapes. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or assembling, it keeps your work secure without needing a full workshop setup. When you're done, it folds away easily, saving space. If you need a reliable, portable workstation that adapts to different tasks, this tool brings flexibility and control to your workflow. Milescraft 3404 PushStick. You're guiding a narrow piece through a table saw, and your hands get uncomfortably close to the blade. That's where the Milescraft 3404 PushStick becomes essential. It keeps your hands at a safe distance while maintaining firm control over the material. The non-slip TPE grip holds the wood securely, and the rear hook helps push it smoothly through the cut without slipping. Its bright color also makes it easy to spot on a busy workbench. For safer, more controlled cuts, this simple tool adds confidence every time you use your saw. Trend 6-piece Electrician hole saw set. You're drilling through wood for wiring or fittings, and then the cut turns rough or gets stuck halfway through. That's where the Trend 6-piece Electrician hole saw set makes a difference. Built with durable steel and precision ground teeth, it cuts cleanly through wood, plastic, and even light metal. The deep cutting capacity and cooling slots help reduce heat, while the design allows easier plug removal after drilling. Whether you're installing fixtures or running cables, it keeps the process smooth and efficient. If you want clean, reliable holes without constant interruptions, this set delivers consistent performance every time. Rockler mitered box, corners with dowels. You build a box with perfect 45-degree miters, but once glued, the joints feel weak and slightly misaligned. That's where the Rockler mitered box corners with dowel system comes in. It helps you drill precise holes through miter joints so you can insert dowels that reinforce the structure while keeping everything aligned. And the result is a joint that is not only stronger, but also visually clean with a subtle decorative touch. Whether you're making boxes, drawers, or frames, this tool ensures your corners hold up over time. If strength and accuracy matter, this upgrade makes a noticeable difference. Grizzly G0995 Wood Lathe. You look at a plain block of wood and imagine turning it into something smooth and detailed, but hand tools can only take you so far. That's where the Grizzly G0995 Wood Lathe comes in. With variable speed control and a solid cast iron construction, it provides the stability needed for precise wood turning. Whether you're shaping bowls, pens, or decorative pieces, it allows controlled, consistent results. The smooth operation helps reduce vibration, giving you better accuracy while working. If you want to move from basic cuts to detailed craftsmanship, this lathe opens the door to creating true woodwork artistry. Wolfcraft Mobile Drilling Aid. I know you're trying to drill a straight hole, but the bit keeps drifting slightly off angle, especially on smooth or curved surfaces. That's where the Wolfcraft Mobile Drilling Aid becomes useful. It acts as a compact guide that stabilizes your drill, helping you maintain a straight and controlled angle. The rubber base grips firmly, while the V-groove supports round materials like pipes or edges. It's lightweight and easy to position, making it ideal for quick fixes and precise work. If you want cleaner, more accurate holes without setting up large equipment, this tool keeps your drilling consistent every time. Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer. You finish cutting drywall or board edges, but the corners look rough and uneven before you even start finishing. That's where the Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer comes in. It uses 3 blades to create a consistent 35-degree bevel in a single pass, preparing edges cleanly for filling or joining. When instead of spending extra time sanding and correcting mistakes, you simply slide it along the edge and get a smooth, uniform result. It's simple, controlled, and efficient. If you want cleaner edges with less effort and better finishing results, this tool makes the job noticeably easier. FP5 Portable Saw Featherboard. You're feeding a board through your saw, and it starts to shift slightly, making the cut feel unstable and unsafe. That's where the FP5 Portable Saw Featherboard makes a real difference. It attaches to your saw table and applies consistent pressure against the workpiece, keeping it firmly aligned against the fence. The flexible EVA feathers hold the wood without damaging the surface, while also helping reduce the risk of kickback. Setup is quick, and once locked in, your cuts feel smoother and more controlled. If you want safer, more precise cutting, this tool adds confidence to every pass. Array MBS Pro 2.0, including Forstner Drill Bit. You're drilling for hinges or hardware, but the hole edges come out rough or slightly torn, ruining the finish. That's where the MBS Pro 2.0 with Forstner Drill Bit makes a difference. It's designed to create clean, flat-bottom holes with sharp cutting edges that reduce tear out. The bit stays stable during drilling, giving you better control and smoother results, especially on visible surfaces. Whether you're working on cabinets or detailed wood pieces, it delivers consistent accuracy. If you want clean, professional-looking holes without extra cleanup, this tool helps you achieve that with confidence. Swanson Savage Pro Scribe. You measure, mark, and still end up with lines that don't match the actual surface, especially on uneven boards. That's where the Swanson Savage Pro Scribe steps in. It combines a measuring tape with a built-in retractable scribe, allowing you to mark precise lines directly against edges without shifting your reference. The magnetic dual hook adds stability, and the clear markings make it easy to read measurements quickly. It can even help create consistent arcs and circles when needed. If you want accurate marking without constant rechecking, this tool keeps your layout clean and reliable. Infinity Tools Sleeveless Sanding Drums. You cut a curved piece perfectly, but sanding it smooth becomes the real challenge. Flat sanders just can't follow the shape properly. That's where the Infinity Tools Sleeveless Sanding Drums come in. Designed for spindle sanders, they allow quick sleeve changes and come in multiple drum sizes to match different curves. They maintain even pressure along contours, helping remove saw marks without flattening the shape. Whether you're refining edges or smoothing tight curves, they make the process faster and more controlled. If you want clean, consistent finishes on curved work, this tool keeps your results sharp and professional. On a Milescraft 1622 Sand It Multi-Surface Sanding Block. You switch between flat surfaces, curves, and tight edges, and suddenly you need multiple sanding tools just to keep up. That's where the Milescraft 1622 Sand It block simplifies everything. It features interchangeable profiles including flat, convex, concave, and edge shapes, so you can handle different surfaces with one tool. The sandpaper attaches easily and can be swapped quickly without slowing down your workflow. Whether you're smoothing corners or refining detailed shapes, it keeps control in your hands. If you want one sanding solution that adapts to almost any surface, this tool makes your work more efficient. Tracer Pro Scribe Tool. You're trying to fit a board against an uneven wall, and no matter how carefully you measure, gaps still appear. That's where the Tracer Pro Scribe tool makes the process precise. Its adjustable arm with multiple locking positions lets you trace exact contours and transfer them directly onto your material. The clear scale markings and solid aluminum build give you control and consistency, even on complex shapes. Whether you're fitting panels, trimming doors, or working around irregular edges, it removes the guesswork completely. If you want tight, accurate fits in challenging spaces, this tool delivers dependable results every time. Now, if at least one of these tools made you rethink your setup, make sure to hit like, drop a comment with your favorite, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more smart tools and real-world upgrades. Because the right tool doesn't just make work easier, it changes how you build.